Hey everyone, welcome back to App Mentor.
For today's tutorial, let me show you a simple and easy guide on how to cancel DoorDash Pass subscription. This is a straightforward process, so make sure to follow along. First, open the DoorDash app and sign into your account. Click on your profile, then go to Manage Dash Pass. On the bottom, you can see the Cancel Membership button. Just go ahead and click that. To cancel your subscription, click on Continue to cancel until you reach the reason page. Provide any reason and click Confirm. It is optional to share your reason for canceling subscription. Once done, go ahead and submit your cancellation of subscription.
Thank you for tuning in to App Mentor. If this video is helpful, please don't forget to like, hit the subscribe button, and leave a comment for any suggestions. See you on the next video!